How to fix iPhone 15 series overheating issue. Let's get started. Launch your settings app. Now scroll down, head towards the option of General, open the option Background App Refresh. Click on the option Background App Refresh. Set it to off and hit back. Now you can close this. Now you have to delete unnecessary widgets and apps. For that, long press on your home screen. Now click on this icon given at the top left of the widget. Click on Remove. This way you can easily remove the widget. And for the apps, long press on it. Click on Remove App. Click on Delete App. Now heading towards next solution, open your settings app. Scroll down, open the option Privacy and Security. Click on the option Location Services. Toggle off for the option of Location Services. Now head back, head towards the main page of settings, scroll down, open the option Accessibility, head towards the option of Display and Text Size. Scroll all the way down, toggle on for the option of Auto Brightness. Now head back. Go to the main page of settings, open this option Display and Brightness. Enable dark mode in your device. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix iPhone 15 series overheating issue. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.